National Budget 2019 could see a near 10% on-year spike. The government is hopeful the extra funds will help jumpstart the economy weighed down by high unemployment and a widening wealth gap. Ji-yeon has our top story.
South Korea's Ministry of Economy and Finance said Tuesday that it wants to actively deal with the country's structural issues and pursue expansionary fiscal measures to boost job creation as well as future innovative growth. It says government spending in 2019 will increase by nearly 10% from this year to $424.2 billion. That's the highest level since 2000, excluding 2009, when South Korea was struggling due to the aftermath of the global financial crisis. The ministry expects next year's gross income to amount to nearly $434 billion, up by some 8% from this year. Despite pursuing expansionary measures, the ministry says it's likely to have a limited impact on South Korea's fiscal balance and government debt due to improvements in the country's tax revenue, which the government tallied at nearly $15 billion in June.
Following increases in tax revenue, the government plans to increase expansionary fiscal spending to boost the number of jobs, revitalize the economy, and improve the livelihoods of the public.
The lion's share of next year's budget, around $146.3 billion, is to be injected into boosting the health, welfare, and labor sectors, while nearly $64 billion is set aside for the education sector. The ministry has also increased the amount of state research and development for future core technologies, as well as boosting the platform economy, an ecosystem which depends on the internet, computation, and data. That's been raised to $18.4 billion, up more than $500 million from this year. The Ministry of Trade and Industry and Energy says it plans to increase its budget to around $7 billion next year, nearly 12% more than its budget for this year. This as the ministry is seeking to effectively deal with trade protectionist measures, convert South Korea to safe and clean energy, and strengthen investments for sectors related to innovative growth. The budget proposal is to be submitted to the National Assembly later this week for approval. Ji-yeon, Arirang News.